Cruise control allows you to set a cruising speed between 25 and 89 miles per hour. Activation of the system depends on whether or not your vehicle is also equipped with Pro Pilot Assist. If you do not have Pro Pilot Assist, the controls look like this, and you can push this switch to activate conventional fixed-speed cruise control. For vehicles with intelligent cruise control, part of Pro Pilot Assist, the controls look like this, and pushing and holding this switch will activate conventional fixed-speed cruise control. Accelerate to your desired speed, then push this switch down and release it. In the event you need to pass another vehicle, ensure that it is a legal maneuver, then press the accelerator pedal. After you have safely passed, release the accelerator and your vehicle will return to the previously set speed. To change to a faster cruising speed, push and hold this switch up. Release at your desired cruising speed. If you push the switch up and quickly release it, each push will increase your set speed by about 1 mile per hour. To reset at a slower cruising speed, push and hold this switch down. Release when you have reached the desired slower speed. If you push the switch down and quickly release it, each push will decrease your set speed by about 1 mile per hour. Press cancel or tap your brake pedal to cancel cruise control. Push this switch up to resume cruising at your last set speed. Push this switch to turn cruise control off completely. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.